ticks in your garden and around your home can be a nuisance. Ticks can carry numerous harmful blood-borne diseases such as Lyme disease, and some diseases transferred from ticks can be deadly. This guide explains how to get rid of as many ticks as possible from around your house. How to get rid of ticks around your home. Welcome to my channel. Here we talk about gardening tips and pest control methods like this. So you're here for the first time. Maybe it's a good idea to subscribe. Also, click the bell icon so that you receive notifications on my new upload. Part 1. Removing ticks indoors. 1. Declutter your home. Although ticks are found outdoors, indoor infestations of the brown dog tick are not uncommon. This kind of tick feeds on dogs and other animals and prefers warm, dry conditions. The first step in removing these ticks is to declutter your home because ticks hide almost anywhere. Pick up items from the floor and don't leave dirty laundry lying around. Your tick infestation is an opportunity to do a little spring cleaning. 2. Wash dirty clothes. Wash dirty clothes in hot water. Ticks attach to dirty clothing or bed linens. Wash clothes or linens you suspect may be tick-infected in the hottest water suitable for the fabric type. Avoid leaving dirty laundry on the floor, and if you suspect any clothes or linens might have ticks, do not put them in the laundry hamper because this will contaminate the other clothes. Put them straight into the washing machine. 3. Clean your house. Clean your house thoroughly. The next step is to clean your entire home thoroughly from top to bottom. Clean out shelves, dust forgotten corners and sweep, mop, and vacuum all floors. Your vacuum cleaner will be your best friend during the tick removal process because you can suck up ticks from all over the house, in animal bedding, in cracks in the floor and wall, on baseboards and crown molding, and on and underneath furniture. Be sure to dispose of the vacuum bag afterwards. 4. Dust your home with pesticide. Once your house is cleaned and decluttered, and you have physically removed as many ticks as possible, you will need to use pesticides to kill any remaining ticks and their eggs. To kill tick eggs and larvae, you need to lightly dust all areas of your home with a pesticide, contain boric acid and botanical extracts. Sprinkle a little extra dust around your pet's bedding, which is a favorite laying spot. To kill the adults, use a pyrethrin-based pesticide spray designed especially for getting rid of brown dog ticks. This is safe for humans and pets and works quickly. Spray this pesticide all over the home. Don't forget carpets and curtains, and the underside of tables, chairs and sofas. Make sure to read the label for exact directions. Read the directions on the pesticide to see if people and animals have to leave the area for a certain amount of time after the pesticide is used. 5. Treat indoor pets. Indoor pets, usually dogs, are the #1 source of tick infestations. Dogs can carry ticks in from outdoors or catch them from other animals in the kennel or the local neighborhood. First, you need to physically remove any ticks that are using your animal as a host, then treat the dog with a topical tick-killing product containing ingredients such as fipronil, amitriptyline or permethrin. Ask your veterinarian for suggestions. You may also invest in a tick-repelling collar for your pet. These will keep ticks from latching onto your cat or dog for approximately 3 months. These collars can be difficult to find in stores, so ask your vet or shop online. 6. Call an exterminator. Severe tick infestations may require a professional exterminator. They have specialized equipment and pesticides which kill ticks immediately on contact. They also have an in-depth knowledge of ticks' habitats and behaviors, so they will be able to locate the ticks very quickly. If your tick infestation remains a problem, despite your best efforts to get rid of them, you may want to consider this option. Part 2. Removing ticks outdoors. 1. Target the ticks. Outdoor ticks can usually be found in grassy, bushy areas sheltered by trees and shade. They like high humidity. They can also be found in the same places favored by one of the tick's favorite meals, deer. So anytime you're out in tall grasses or hiking in the woods, you're in enemy territory. The first thing to do is discourage ticks from taking up residence in your home territory by targeting any favorable tick conditions in your own backyard. 2. Cut back vegetation. An important step in keeping ticks away is to get rid of any tick-friendly foliage. The best way to do this is keep your yard trimmed regularly and to remove all dead, scraggly, overgrown vegetation. Avoid grass to overgrow and remove vines and other plants that tend to create bushy, clumped or grass-like environments. Moreover, since ticks are like vampires, they drink blood and they hate the sun. Use that as your guide when removing plants, so let the sun into as many parts of your yard as possible. 3. Mow the grass frequently. Regular mowing deprives ticks of tall grass and lets the sun in. This not only keeps the bugs at bay, it also evaporates morning dew quickly, depriving ticks of water too. Clear tall grasses from around your house and lawn. Use an edger to create a barren zone that ticks loathe to cross on their own. They'll have to hitch a ride on a passing deer, and hopefully you're keeping them out of your yard too. 4. Clear your yard. Clear your yard of brush and dead leaves. If ticks cannot live in the grasses, they'll find shade elsewhere. Damp, dark brush and dead leaves, especially dead leaves, are tick heaven. Don't allow piles of vegetation to build anywhere in your yard. 5. Use a pesticide. Use approved, known safe pesticides in late spring to early summer to prevent ticks from populating your lawn. A single treatment of your yard in late May or early June can reduce tick population by over 50%. Be sure to only use pesticides approved for use in your area against ticks and use them according to the label. Some good ones pesticides contain lambda-cyhalothrin and S-phenvalerate. Part 3. Preventing ticks. 1. Fence your yard. Fencing your yard will prevent larger animals, such as deer or coyotes, from passing through your backyard. Ticks travel on mammals, so keeping larger animals out will help control the tick population in your yard. Besides, deer will chomp on your garden, and coyotes will chomp on your cats. 2. Keep firewood stacked in a dry location. Like brush and dead leaves, firewood holds darkness and moisture. Keeping it stacked in a dry location denies ticks of their safe haven, and it will keep your firewood nice and dry when it's time to use it next winter. 3. Don't play in known tick areas. Don't let kids play in known tick areas. Make sure they play in areas that are located well away from high grasses or trees. If the swing set has grass growing around the legs of the set, get that weed whacker over there and start trimming. 4. Clean underneath bird feeders. Clean thoroughly underneath bird feeders. Ticks can nest under feeders undisturbed. By cleaning regularly you make it undesirable for them. 5. Check yourself. Regularly check yourself, your children and pets, especially after playing or hiking outdoors. Look for ticks in the hairline, underarms, on legs, all over. Remove them with a pair of tweezers. Be careful not to squeeze the body of an embedded tick. You do not want the tick to regurgitate into the attach point, as this aids in the passing of diseases such as Lyme disease. 6. Make a natural tick repellent. You can make a non-toxic tick repellent at home. Get a 16-ounce, 475 milliliters spray bottle and start spraying. Create a citrus-based repellent. Ticks avoid citrus, which makes it an effective weapon. To make, boil 2 cups of water and add 2 chopped lemons, limes, oranges, or grapefruit, alone or in combination. Let it boil for a minute or so, then simmer the concoction for an hour. Strain the fruit out, let it cool, pour into the sprayer, and squirt it on you, your kids, your pets and your yard, anywhere ticks might like to go. Other natural repellents use geranium, lavender, or peppermint essential oils. These are not safe for cats though, so avoid spraying the cat or indoor areas where the cat lives. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Guardian's Choice Official.